Okay guys, self-repair manual. Simple things. It's a dryer, Panda, 760 SF. And we have a stupid issue that it's not working. Short manual. Just remove the back wall, a few screws. It's regular PR screws, but on the two is a star. Let me check. This is T20. Star T20. And that is the issue. The biggest problem, the belt is fully damaged. I ordered it on Amazon. The link will be in the description. It's just around $10. And next part of the video is installing this belt. Okay guys, our belt on our Panda, and we ordered a new one. Let's change it. We need to unscrew these three, 2 and 2. It should be enough. It looks like almost the same. Mondacino. You have to unscrew and switch this cable because it's not like this. That's it. Yes.